Bye bye beach. Let's see if we live through this. Okay, and now we have to get up this.
That is so fucking scary. No! My God!
Ooh. So it's the next morning, and we found a place apparently where we can work on George. So you want to join? I mean, there are worse places in the world to be in January working, but I would rather not work on it again. Here's something that your Land Rover really should not do. So I've taken this whole thing apart to, you know, this, no hub and everything, and I'm like, okay, let's remove these bolts to, you know, remove the stub axle. And then I realized this. Hope it does show on camera. Ugh. Wait. Kids, you never know. Today's mission is bleed the brakes and do everything, for long-term viewers, do everything that is on this list. Which is unlikely to happen, but at least maybe something. I am usually all in for sharing all the glory that we made with George, but in this particular case I have to admit that we did something wrong. For some reason, the sill on the front mount of the body cracks, and that even though it wasn't stress welded, it was completely fine. But if you look at this side, it's starting to split under the use, and I don't really have a solution, and I don't really fancy welding it now, so I'm gonna put bolts in. Not the fine art, but you win some, you lose some. we have another big deal going, which is a glove box. So we can store things in places. So summary is, we come here, we work here, and now we are going to take this one. Because we don't have a car right now.